Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's Brandon with Car Fleeter. Working on the Bronco again today. We're almost to the body back on. So we got this mount, just finished welding the frame saver. All the frame savers are now officially welded. Every single one. We just gotta paint that one, that's it. Basically at this point, we need to finish the body so we can drop it on. We're gonna be sealing the underneath, fiddling around with the underneath a little bit, and then we should be able to drop this on this video. So guys, I made a last second decision to put the stock exhaust back on. Just because the long tube headers, you can't use this. You don't have anywhere to put your dipstick, and I don't even know if my steering shaft will fit. That will be a question for another day. But it takes up a lot of room. And for now, I just want to put it back stock. I'm going to use them down the road if they fit properly. But I don't want to have like me trying to modify this to be a headache. I just want to slap it on. We have an exhaust for now. Been working away, guys. I got a tab made for the foot here that goes through the passenger seat. That's gonna weld up on the side and then drill a hole for the last bolt. Other ones are still there. 2 front bolts, 1 rear bolt, and then that one's gonna get welded. This is the rear bench seat bracket. That's the spot that it pivots on. This is very flimsy. I don't want to lose it. Don't have to get new ones here, so I'm just gonna weld up a little support piece. And this is the bolt, the hardware for it. We got one painted up. This one's mint. This one, the bolts were broken. They didn't come out properly, so I got new bolts and I got a sandwich plate that's gonna sandwich there. Guys, check out the progress we've been making. Again, this is my week off. I'm going hard. All the mounts are finally done. They're mint. Show you guys the body here. It's pretty windy, so bear with me. Basically, the inside is ready. We drilled our hole for the body mount there. The inside is ready. Now I'll show you guys underneath too. We did a patch there, you can see it. That's patched, and we did the same thing on this side, patched. So today's journey for me is to get the underside prepped for paint. It's gonna be a lot of scraping, a lot of sanding, a lot of the brush. I'm just gonna be painting the inside though, not worrying about any of this because that I can do on the frame. I'm gonna be only worrying about the underneath. I've welded this whole floor pan top and bottom, this one as well, top and bottom, and it's gonna be sealed with bed liner. This type of stuff is I'm gonna push the bed liner so it actually creates a seal. And I'm super excited for this step, guys. Once this is prepped, we're going to get to painting. Okay guys, me and my buddy Luke, we worked our butts off to get the underneath prepped for paint. And I can't even tell you guys how dirty it was before. I should have taken a video, but I didn't. This whole thing was literal gunk, guys. I think the guy that before had a transfer case leak or something and it was spitting the fluid everywhere. So this was actual grease. We got it down to nothing. You guys can see the patches, they look really good. It's gonna be sealed with the bed liner in there. I'm gonna get all in these grooves. There's lots of painting to do, guys. All bed lined. The hole underneath is just gonna get caked. Unfortunately, I can't do this spot because the wood's in the way. This is the final step until the body goes on. I cannot wait. This is a huge step. Oh, my teeth. Okay, as you can see, I'm covered in bed liner. Good thing it says not to get it on your skin, hey? That'd suck if I did. Tell me this isn't the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your entire life. Like, I honestly don't think it gets better. It's like a little stroll. It is mint. Like, this is literally nicer than a 2022 vehicle. Now you can see we missed some spots there because of the wood, but we'll hit that later. All these patches, like what patch? Where? What patch am I talking about? You guys don't even know. It is done underneath. And my knees couldn't be more happier. My knees are broken, I think. We're gonna hit the inside real quick, might as well. But I'm gonna quickly prep that. Oh my gosh, this stuff is disgusting. First of all, I had gloves on, and I guess the thumb hole broke, so my thumb came out black. And I was like, are you kidding me? You can see the hair. This is definitely gonna take a while to come off. We got a little lip. Oh my god, so sick. Ooh, baby. Oh, I don't even know what to say, guys. This is literally a dream come true. If you guys go back in the series, you can check how bad this floor was. And the fact that I can't even tell there's been any patches is literally a dream come true for me. I'm never claimed to be a professional at this stuff, but this is amazing. I don't know how I pulled this off. So many hours into this thing, it's not even funny. But it looks unreal, guys. Check it out. Completely sealed bed line. All the welds, I did a nice little thick coat. Squeeze it into the welds. And then you just go, boom, mint. Next thing, we're gonna get to the back here and bed line that. And then we're gonna shut it so no debris gets in. All right, here's the final reveal of all the easy liner, baby. It's got a quarter left probably, but we are finished with it for now. I just can't believe this. This is truly amazing. It doesn't mean much to you guys. You guys probably don't really care that much, but to me, this is massive. Floor is officially done. I could not be more excited. We got we got rest to deal with once the body's back on the frame. We're gonna do our quarter panels, our roof, but the floor is done. So I just got some little stuff to do while this dries. I'm gonna pop the curtains down on each side just so stuff doesn't get in. But that's just beautiful. That's what we call that. It's just beautiful. It is finally time to get this body back on the frame. As you can see, we got all our pucks. We got the rubber into the frame saver, and then we got the metal piece on top on all of them. These two are different, those two are different, those 6 are the same. So I got 2 of my biggest buddies coming over, and we should be able to do this with just 3 people. I will film it this time. The bed liner is just beauty, guys. It looks so good. Look at this guy. Okay, settle down. Look at this guy. This guy's kind of small though. All right, so we got the power crew ready to deadlift, snatch it over their head. We're gonna push the frame under, and Luke's gonna solo lift the whole thing right from the center with 1 finger. Yeah. And it should drop on. We're not sure how we're gonna do it yet, but we're just gonna kind of mock it up and then and then lift it on. Maybe I should just go with this squat look though. Kind of like it. Oh dude, the canopy might be sliding back a bit. Watch out, Alec. It's on a severe angle. Okay, we got the rear down with the bolt through. Now we're going for the front. It's a lot heavier. So let's see how it goes. As you guys just saw, we got the body on with 3 people. I am so hyped right now. This thing is so nice. It is just mint. Like, look at her. Like, I mean, you can't even see anything right now, but you get the point. What I'm trying to say is it's all mint. To be standing next to my Bronco, and it's all one piece, and the body is in the garage for the very first time. I can't even know what to say. This is insane. The build is just, once again, kicking off to the next stage. That is gonna be it for the video, guys. The body is back on. That means I'm throwing the inner fenders on, I'm throwing the fenders on, I'm throwing the hood on, I'm throwing the grill on. Everything is going back on. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is a huge step. I appreciate everybody who's been following the build. Thank you guys so much, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.